Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss another worksheet related to the topic numbers. The first question is write 180 as a product of its prime factors. So how to write a number into its prime factor? We need to simply take the LCM. So now from 2 this will be 90, and then 2 45s are 90, and then we can use 3. So 3 15s are, and then we have 3 again, so 3 5s are 15. Then we can take the 5. So now this will be we have to write it in the as a product of its prime factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one, next B part. Find the lowest common multiple of this. So we need to take the LCM again for lowest common multiple. So 160, 180. So we can write it as 2 into 80. 2 into 80 will be equals 180, 160. Then 90, and here again 2, 40 and 45. Then we can take again 5 8s are, and then 5 9s are, and then we again take 2 4 and 9 as it is. Then we can write 2 into 2 and 9. Again we will have 2 into 1 3 9, and then 3 into 1 and 3, then 3 and 1. So finally we will have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by just 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, these 3 2's. Then we have 2 3's. So this will be equals to 4. Then this will be 10, this will be 4, this will be 9, and then this will be 40, and this will be 4 9s are 36. And if we multiply these two, 40 into 36, 40 into 36, so this will be equals to 1440. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next question, question number 17. Write down the reciprocal of 1 by 9. So reciprocal of 1 by 9 is will be 9. Find the lowest. Again we need to find out the LCM. So for LCM we can take the LCM like this. 30 into 75. We can start from 3. We can start from 3. So this will be 10, and this will be 2. 3 2s are 6. 5s are. Then we can take 5. 5 2s are 10. And 5 5s are 25. Then we again take 2. Then we again take 5. So this will be 3 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 15, and from here we will have 10. So 10 into, so this will be equals to 150 will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 19. Write the number 16,037 in figures. So first of all 37, and then we have 16,000. So 16,037 will be like this. So this will be the final answer, 1603037. 16037 will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 20. Write down the 6 factors of 28. So factors of 28 will be 1, 2, and then we will have 4, then we will have 7, then 14 and 28. Let's move to the question number 21. Write down the reciprocal of 5 by 6. So reciprocal of 5 by 6 will be 6 by 5, and we can also write it in the decimal form, 6 divided by 5. This will be equals to 1.2. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 22. Aditya thinks of two whole numbers. So let's say the first number is x1 and the other one number is x2. Both numbers are greater than 6. So both numbers are greater than 6 means that this will be, so let's say this will be 6 into y1 and then 6 into y2. Okay, the lowest common multiple of the two number is 90. So common multiple of the two number means that 6 y1, so lowest common multiple is 6y1 y2 is equals to 90. The highest HCF of the two number is 6. So if we simplify it, so this will be equals to y1 into y2 is equals to 90 divided by 6. So 90 divided by 6 will be equals to 15. So y1 into y2 will be equals to 15. Now we know that what are the factors of 15. So 15 के the factors of 15 will be 5 into 3. So it means that y1 will be equals to 5 and y2 will be equals to 3. So from here we can conclude that x1 will be equals to 6 into 3 and x2 will be equals to 6 into 5. So the first value will be 18 and the other value will be 30. So we will have the two numbers, two whole numbers, one will be 18 and the other will be 30. Let's move to the next question. Question number 23. A company makes 40,600 headphones in 1 year. Write this number in words. So it is 40,000 and 600. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Write it in the standard form. So standard form, what we need to do, 6,500 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0. Now we need to shift the decimal towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be equals to 4.06 multiplied by 10 raised to power positive 4 because we are moving towards the left side. So that is it for today. Today we have discussed a very good questions. We have discussed very good questions related to the topic numbers. In this we have discussed, this is a very important question. So if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you.